Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for the 29th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. We're not itching, Leo. This is your channel song. E to the R, represent to the world. All these guys, what was it? Europe. Secret Tamara. Man. Say them want to stroll with me, Leo. I don't know if all the girls them want to stroll with you all of a sudden, Leo, but I'm getting as you click your fingers, the girls are coming. Might as well you threw bread. The girls will just come, rush you like a fucking pigeon, a fucking pigeon, right? That's what they will rush as, okay? So I'm getting you clicking your finger and the girls are rolling with you. Leo, so I don't know how this, I don't know if you turn galleys. Maybe you were a nerdy guy. Apparently you have all the bitches locked. All the bitches want. I guess they like it. They like you. Because every time you click your finger, a girl is rolling with you. So what the fuck, Leo? Anyways, we're going to go ahead and see your, wait. I think I had another spread here, did I not? I just had your reading, I'm sorry. Here we are, we're doing a past life reading. No, I don't know, I talk about a lot of dreams that not dreams, past life regression. Dreams feel different from astral projection, which feels different from a nightmare. We're going to do a past life tarot. So we're going to see maybe having vivid dreams. I can remember a few of my past lives, and majority of them I was a man. And if I wasn't a man, I was a child. Rarely I was a woman, right? Oh yeah, I was a woman a couple times. I think I was a witch. I mean, I come from a family. I'm going to stay in this big castle. And I keep tell the family secrets. Basically, I keep tell everybody some witches. I want to help everybody with my witch power. So them they kind of lock me up in this room, in this big castle. And basically, them leave me there to rot. Because I want to stop helping the commoners. Basically, okay? Anyways, let's see what's happening in your past life, Leo. So let's see who you were. Who were you in your past life? We have a 9 of Pentacles. I'm getting you were black. You didn't tell me you were black. Yes, Leo, you're black. I'm getting a past life. You were a black person, very slim. Maybe you were a model. I'm getting you on TV. Everybody love you. I'm getting Marilyn Monroe, the black Marilyn Monroe. I'm getting you were on TV. You were a model. I'm getting you were melanated. Yeah, a very slim body. I don't know what body you incarnated on this planet with, but I'm getting that's who you were. So maybe you're with a lot of black people, you don't know why you keep saying, this boy's a liar, he doesn't see ya, maybe that's why you keep with black people. Because I'm getting in your past life, you were black. Also, it could be in your past life, you were a woman. You come out, you want to be a woman, you have a tie to women, or you just love women in this lifetime. That's why you were a woman in a past life. You were a strong black woman. I would like you to make me some fufu. I would like some fufu too, because I come from Jamaica, I don't come from Africa. Oh my God, my African princess, my African beauty. You look so great. I just love to try some African food. I would like to try some African food. If you know an African guy, tell me, because I'm not African. Oh, do you know your way around the kitchen, my African princess, my Nigerian princess? I love a woman who can cook fufu. I would like a man who can cook fufu too, because we don't know how to cook fufu, because we come from Jamaica. What the fuck? Not all black people came from the same place. The slave masters didn't take all the black people to the same place. The fuck, okay? So I'm getting that's what you were. You were rich, slim, and okay, what did you do? The star card, exactly, you were a model. You used to be in a magazine. People used to take picture of you. Maybe you come in this lifetime and you want to be famous. You don't know what you want, but you want people to see it. You just feel like whatever you do in this life, you feel like people need to see you, people need to see more of you. I should be on TV. Me getting you were a celebrity in a past life, you were a black woman. Again, you could have been a model, right? Wait, let me go back for the spread. You could have been a model in a past life, but that's what me getting. Me getting you were a celebrity. It's black celebrity, movie star, actress, okay? What challenges did you face, Leo? The Six of Pentacles, I'm getting money. People did rob you out of contracts. Them never give you right contracts. Them thief your money. Me getting you never retire with nothing. You were a celebrity, a model, or maybe a public figure. Me getting them thief the whole of your money. You got the shittier end of the bargain, the shittier end of the stick, basically. So that's the challenges you face was money. Maybe you keep and give away your money, and at the end of your career, you had none. Because you're starting off with 9 of Pentacles, and then you're going into 6 of Pentacles after stardom. So there's something about putting yourself in debt or you didn't get good contracts. How did you die? Me getting you die while in an argument. Are you dead while you defend yourself? I don't know if this is a mob, a stampede, or me getting you protect yourself from some people. Me getting you dead while you defend yourself. So I don't know if a woman, a crowd attack you. Me getting you so you're dead, you got attacked by a crowd. Are you dead while you were in battle, basically, something like that. What lessons did you learn? The 8 of for walk away. Maybe for walk away from stardom. Because you started with a 9 and then after stardom you went to the 6. And then look there, some things is not worth losing your life over. And sometimes people cannot tell the difference between entertainment and Leo, what the sun is doing, and them can't tell the difference between if it's real. Is she talking about me? You know, my time at the tarot reading and me and people stop being friends because them say you talk shit about me. I'm like, but not talking about you. But I'm glad that you think that because that mean me I read properly. When we do readings, unless you pay me to do a reading for you, but I do a collective reading. And that can be anybody. And people said, no, me I talk. How could you talk about me? I'm like, we're not talking about you, me I read cards. This is why tarot readers have such a lonely life, have a hateful life. Because you can read situations. So me getting you need to know when to walk from stardom. Or when your time on the starship ends, basically. One more. And how have you been influenced in this past life now? We have a death card. Me getting you don't afraid of death. Or me getting you live many lives. Or me getting something about you remember you being a celebrity, but you remember bare people that come towards you, you just don't remember what the memory was. Me getting a dead is dead. You're dead while you're in battle. I don't know how them kill it. I don't think they shot you. And this could be way back in the days because they're using sticks, Leo. So that has been your past life spread. Let's just get a few more messages and we'll leave it here, Leo. We have the star again. You were a celebrity in a past life, Leo. Maybe you were clicking your fingers and Megan Thee Stallion was rolling with you. We don't know what's happening. But the star 2 times, you were a celebrity in your past life. Can we just talk? People say them don't believe in past lives. Okay. Just like you never believe in your wife. That's why you're up on Kijiji asking for discreet relationships. 11-11. Yes, something come back round. It feels familiar. Does the story feel familiar, Leo? Because me getting in another life, you was a celebrity, or you was a rapper, or you was a model. Whether you was a man or a woman. That's why you might very much be popular in this life, but you're behind the scenes. Or you just feel like you must be famous. That is why. That's why some people follow the fame and live 2 lives famous, and some people say, no, it's just a dream. No, it's a past life. Forbidden fruit. I put this back, I pull it again. 11-11 again. I am the game and one way. I'm going to leave it here, Leo. Maybe you'll be working with Alicia Palmer. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.